Okay, students, good morning to all of you. So, in previous class, we are discussing a topic about equilibrium of charges and two problems of that already we have seen. Clear? Yes. Now, today, one more point on that same topic. Okay. So, what is that question? Even two charges are there. Third charge where we should keep so that that third charge is in equilibrium. And I have not asked you about what is the magnitude of the charge and what is the nature of the charge. This question not asked. Still, additional point it is. We will come to that point later. Okay. Yes. See, students, when two charges are there, both are positive charges, like this. Okay. Now, a third charge plus capital Q is given for us, irrespective of its nature, whether it is positive or negative. My question is where we should keep this capital Q charge so that capital Q is in equilibrium. Okay. Let us search the three positions in that. Okay. Yeah. So this is the line joining their center. Okay. Okay. Now one position, second position, third position. Okay. Distance between these three is let us imagine R. These two is let us imagine R. Okay. If we keep here capital Q, is it in equilibrium condition? Let us check. See, due to this charge, a force will be there in this direction. Repulsive force, because it is also positive. And due to this charge, again repulsive force will be there in this direction. Yes, there may be a chance that these two forces are equal. So this may be in equilibrium condition. Okay. Now let us check here. If we are not keeping here, let us keep in the second position somewhere else here. Here. Okay, at some distance x from first charge. Okay, from this charge it is at a distance of r plus x. Okay, let us suppose. Now this is also positive. Okay, now due to this charge, which type of force will be there on this? Repulsive force, means this side. Okay, and due to this charge, again repulsive force this side, means it is not possible. Means out of these two charges, if you keep a charge, this charge will not be in equilibrium. Let us check here also. Let us keep a charge here, capital Q plus Q charge. Let us keep here at a distance of x. Okay. Now, due to this Q charge, a force is there, repulsive force this side. Clear? Are you getting, students? Again, due to this charge also, a repulsive force will be there on this. Which side? This side only. Again, net force cannot be zero. Means this is not the equilibrium position. Got it? Clear? That means when two charges are there and two charges are of same nature, where we should keep a third charge such that the third charge is in equilibrium is in between these two. Where exactly means if the charges magnitudes are same, exactly at the center. If they are different magnitudes, it depends upon their magnitudes. Okay. Let us check with negative charge. Now it is not a positive charge, it is a negative charge. Let us suppose. Now again keep in the middle, negative charge. Okay? Yes. Let us check for equilibrium condition again. In the middle. Is it possible or not? See, due to this charge, on this negative charge, which type of force? Attractive force, this side. Due to this plus Q, on this minus Q, again attractive force, this side. As there may be chances that these two forces are equal in magnitude, depending upon the distance. Clear? So this may be in equilibrium. Okay. Now this side you check at some distance, x distance. Here minus Q charge I have kept. Due to this attractive force on this in this direction, and due to this attractive force in this direction, it is not possible. It is not in equilibrium condition. Now check here also. Minus Q keep. Due to this attractive this side, due to this also attractive this side, it is also not in equilibrium. That means you need to see these two charges. If the two charges are of same nature, irrespective of their magnitude, whatever may be the magnitude, if their nature is same, now equilibrium position of third charge should be in between these two. In between these two, we should search the location in the middle of in between these two only. It may be positive charge, it may be negative charge. For positive charge also we got, for negative charge also we have got. How to calculate? In last problem we have shown. Okay, now let us check for two opposite charges. Abhay, your question now. Okay, one charge is minus q, another charge is here, yeah, here plus q charge. Two charges are there, and two charges are separated by some distance. Let us suppose some distance r, they are separated. Okay, now I am having a third charge, capital Q plus q. Positive charge is there with different magnitude, but these two are same magnitude. Let us take, later we will take a different magnitude. Okay, okay, now where we should keep this third charge, so that this third charge is in equilibrium. Let us check in the middle first, in between the two charges. Let us check. Okay, yeah, so let us keep here, let us keep the third charge here plus q. Check direction of forces. Due to negative charge on this attractive force this side, attractive this side, due to positive charge on this repulsive force this side, that side, both are in same direction, means it is not possible. This charge, if we keep in between the two charges, then this charge cannot be in equilibrium position. Clear, students? Okay, now let us take out of these two. Here somewhere else, here let us check at a distance of x from minus q charge. Let us check. Here if we keep positive charge, now what happened? Due to negative charge, attractive force, and due to positive charge, repulsive force. Yes, possibility is there. Yes, equilibrium condition, net force can be zero. Can be zero, I am saying. Possibility is there. I don't know exactly, but possibility is there. Okay. Now here, this side you keep. Again, plus q charge you keep. Okay. Clear? Now, due to plus q charge, repulsive force. Due to minus q charge, attractive force. Yes, possibility is there. But if the magnitudes are different, if these minus q plus q magnitudes are different, then only one location is possible. Here now magnitudes are equal, two locations are possibility is there, but the magnitudes are different. If the magnitudes are different, then only one location is possible. Okay, now this is we have seen for positive charge. Let us check for negative charge also. Let us check for negative charge also. If we keep a negative charge, if we keep a negative charge here, what will happen? Let us check. Okay, yes, so negative charge, on this negative charge, due to this negative charge, which type of force? Repulsive force, this side. Clear? Due to positive charge, on this attractive force, this side, it is not in equilibrium position. Now if we keep here, due to negative charge, repulsive force this side, due to positive charge, repulsive attractive force this side. This possibility is there. Here check, due to positive charge, attractive force, due to negative charge, repulsive force. This possibility is there. Means what you need to get one conclusion is that if the two charges are of same nature, then equilibrium is possible in between two charges, irrespective of nature of the charge. And if two charges are of different nature, unlike charges, opposite charges are there, then equilibrium is possible out of the two charges on the line joining their centers only, outside. Okay, irrespective of this positive charge or negative charge, whatever may be the third charge, they should be outside. Clear, students? I hope you understand. Okay, now let us take on this one example. Let us take. Okay, now see, we are having two charges. One is minus q charge, and another one is plus 9q charge. Plus 9q charge. Two charges are there with me now, and these two charges are separated by a distance of r. Clear, students? Now I am having a third charge, positive charge, let us suppose, where I should keep this positive charge plus capital Q, so that this capital Q is in equilibrium condition, means net force on it should be zero. Where I should keep? Just now I told you, it should not be in between the two charges because they are opposite nature. If they are same nature, then they should be in between the two charges. Exactly in middle or not, we need to check. Here, because they are opposite nature, they should not be in equilibrium position. It cannot be in between the two charges. It should be out of these two charges. Where? Which side? That also let us check. Yes. Let us check. Let us suppose. Yeah. So if we keep here plus Q at a distance of x from minus Q charge, the equilibrium possibility is there? Yeah. Check. Direction of forces. Due to negative charge on this attractive force this side. Due to positive charge 9Q, there is a repulsive force on this side. Yes, possibility is there, but I cannot confirm it. Okay. Next, see this side also. Again at a distance of x plus 9Q. Let us keep a positive charge. What are the direction of forces due to these two charges? Let us check. Due to plus Q, a repulsive force. Due to minus Q, an attractive force. Yes, here also possibility is there. Means two locations. But they should not be two locations because two are of different nature. Abhay is asking one question to me. If a charge small q is placed at the center of the line joining the two equal charges capital Q such that the system is in equilibrium, then the value of Q is, yes, I'll come to that point later. Wait, Nana. Wait, Abhay. Okay. Yeah. Now, which location exactly fits for this? Let us check. Okay. Yeah. So first, let us check this point. This first location I will call. This second location I will call. First location I am seeing. Okay. Now on this, see this force is due to which step? Na? This force is due to plus 9Q. Okay. Force on capital Q due to 9Q should be equal to force on capital Q due to small q. They should be equal. Then only this capital Q will be in equilibrium position. This position I am searching. Location 1 I am searching now. Okay. So formula we know K Q Q by due to this on this distance how much x square should be equal to K into capital Q small q divided by due to this on this how much distance r plus x whole square. Okay na? Yeah. See here K capital Q small q cancel. You will get 9 divided by x square should be equal to 1 divided by r plus x whole square. Okay. Now you will get a solution. However, if you solve, you will get a solution. But you check one thing here. See this numerator and this denominator. This side, more value, less value. Whereas this side, less value, more value is there. They cannot be equal. Compared to this is more. Compared to this is less. This exactly opposite there. They cannot be equal. If you solve, you will get the answer. But they cannot be equal. If you solve, what you get, let us check. This can be written as 3 square means 3. X square can be written as x. Square and square cancel. Okay. 3 divided by 1 by r plus x. This square also will cancel. Take root on both sides. Okay. Yeah. So what you will get, Nana? Cross multiply. 3r plus 3x is equal to x. 3r is equal to minus 2x. Clear? Okay. Then x is equal to what, Nana? minus 3r by 2. Minus indicates what? From here I am taking plus x. Minus is this side. Means here it is. Are you getting? Let us check for location 2. Location 2 I am taking now. Okay? Yes. So what should happen, Anna? Force on capital Q due to small q should be equal to or force on capital Q due to 9q. They should be equal. Okay? Force on capital Q due to small q, distance how much? X. Yes, let us write. K q by x square should be equal to force on capital Q due to 9q, distance how much? R plus x. Let us write. K q 9q divided by R plus x whole square. K q cancel. We'll get 1 by x square is equal to 9 by R plus x whole square. See, here less value, here also less value. Here more value, here also more value. Compare. Yes, possibility is there. It can be written as 1 by x whole square is equal to 3 by R plus x whole square. This step I have not written here. Square cancel. You will get 1 by x is equal to 3 by R plus x. Cross multiply. 3x is equal to R plus x. 4x is equal to R. Then x is equal to R by 4. Yes, exact location. Plus value we got. Means this is not the solution. I hope you understand now. So, for equilibrium of third charge, how many locations are there? Only one location. Where it is? If two charges are of same nature, then equilibrium is possible in between the two charges. If two charges are of opposite nature, then equilibrium is out of the two charges. If these two charges are of unlike charges, means opposite nature and different magnitude, then outside which side? Where? It is, see this side, this small in magnitude, this more in magnitude. So it will be, don't think that it will be towards the negative charge, nearer to negative charge, not like that. It will be towards the less magnitude charge. Are you getting? If I take this is plus, this is minus, then also you will get this location only. Are you getting? You check again, you get same answer. You will not get this one. Nishal is asking, sir, reason for neglecting the other answer. See this. Negative distances are not possible. Okay. Clear, Arsha? Okay. Yeah. So what you need to remember is, so objective questions, you need to remember this. Just by saying a question, you need to search for location. You should not repeat the solution like this. Clear? So this solution you need to remember. This solution remember, Nana. Okay. I'll give you some different questions. You need to solve them. Okay. Yes. So here I am writing a few points. You remember these points for objective. If plus q and again plus q1 q2, different magnitude, same nature are there, then where we should keep a third charge? Third charge should be in place between the two charges. It will be in equilibrium. It may be positive charge, it may be negative charge. For both the charges, it will be valid. But these two should be same nature. They may be of different magnitude, but nature should be same. Okay. Second point. If two charges are of different magnitude, one is positive, another one is negative. Okay. Then where we should keep a third charge? Where we should keep? So Q should be placed outside which side? This side or this side? outside nearer to less magnitude charge. You should not see positive or negative, positive side or negative side. You should not see that. Which is less in magnitude, that side you should keep. Q should be placed outside nearer to less magnitude charge. Got it, students? Clear? Okay. And this, it may be positive, it may be negative also, irrespective of nature of this third charge. Michelle, he is giving one something. Michelle. Sorry, it is R by 2. Okay, by mistake I have written. Okay, let it be. Correct it, Michelle. By mistake I have written it. Maybe. Okay. Plus minus. So you understood now this point? Okay, let us take one more example. Let us see how many of you will solve that question. I'll check now. Okay. Yes, I am giving you question, Nana. Try to solve that. Take everyone pen and paper. Okay, there are two charges are there. The two charges are, one is 4q minus 4q, another one is q. Two charges are there, opposite nature. Distance between these two is small r. Okay. Question is where capital Q plus only, minus anything, where capital Q should be placed such that it is in equilibrium position. Where it is, Nana? Just to give me location roughly. Later you solve answer. Abhay is giving R by 3. Okay, good. I'll solve. Let us solve. But which side? Which side? I want location. Which side? R by 3 value. Let it be whatever may be the value. First, tell me which side. Middle, in between, or outside. First, you tell me in between or outside, because both the charges are of opposite nature. Equilibrium position is possible outside. Outside. Which side? Outside. Which side? Right side or left side? Don't say like that. It should be outside, nearer to less magnitude charge. Less magnitude means in both minus 4q and q. Which is less magnitude, sir? Minus 4q. No, minus 4q is not less magnitude. Irrespective of nature, just see magnitude only. Okay. Among these two, modulus you take. This is less magnitude. Okay, means this side. Clear? Yeah. So come to one conclusion that it will be nearer to less magnitude charge. Okay. Now let us keep that less magnitude charge at a distance of x. Here I have kept. Okay, na? Clear? Okay, sir. Now due to positive charge on this repulsive force and due to negative charge on this attractive force. This force due to negative charge and this force due to positive charge. Clear? So for equilibrium, what should happen? Force due to minus 4q charge should be equal to force due to positive charge. Okay. Force due to minus 4q. K, initial charge 4q, and another charge on this V1. So capital Q divided by distance of this charge from here. How much? R plus x. R plus x whole square. K Q1 Q2 by R square is formula. Should be equal to due to positive charge, K this charge divided by distance between them. How much? X square. K small q capital Q, K small q capital Q cancel. What you are left with? 4 divided by R plus x whole square should be equal to 1 by x square. Yes. This can be written as 2 divided by R plus x whole square. Can we write? Yes. 2 square is 4. Okay. Is equal to 1 by x whole square. Correct, students? Yes. This square cancel. We will get 2 divided by R plus x is equal to 1 by x. Cross multiply them. 2x is equal to r plus x. X send this side. You'll get 2x minus x is equal to r. So x is equal to r. Yeah, got it? I think so. One or two students they have sent a wrong answer. Check yourself. Who is this? Maybe whatever maybe their name. Check. Good, Nishal, correct. Why? Once you check out your solution, okay. This is how you need to solve. Important point for your objective. Objective problems, it is important, and however, on like this, you will get subject to 5-mark questions also. Sir, you did not take 2 square. Why? I took nana. You only check yourself, your solution. It is correct. 4 is I have written 2 square. Okay? Okay, yes. Next. I'll give one more question. How many of you will solve correctly? Okay? Yeah. Again. Yeah. One charge is 16Q. Another charge is same type only I take. Okay. Okay. Now, where a charge minus Q should be placed such that it is in equilibrium condition. Where? Inside. Means in between two. Where? Find out the location. Yes, good. In between the two charges, yes, very fine. Find the location. Everyone find the location? Yes, in between definitely. Irrespective of charge nature, it should be in between the two charges. It may be positive or it may be negative. But it should be in between the two charges. Yes, fine, good. But where is the location? Yes, distance between these two is, let us imagine, r. Okay? Yeah. Now, let us take a distance from any one of the charge, x distance from this. I have kept here. Now, first see direction of forces. Due to positive charge on this attractive force this side, this is due to 16Q, and due to this charge again attractive force on this side, this is due to Q only. Okay? Yes, good. So force due to 16Q should be equal to force due to small q. So force due to 16Q is K 16Q into capital Q. Don't take minus sign here. Okay? Magnitude only I am taking. Direction is already shown here. Okay? Divided by distance between these two is x square should be equal to, yeah. And due to this K Q capital Q divided by this distance how much? It is r minus x. No? Yes. R minus x whole square. K small q capital Q, K small q capital Q cancel. You'll get 16 by x square is equal to 1 by r minus x whole square. Okay? Yes. So this can be written as 4 square. So 4 divided by x whole square. Correct, students? Yes. Is equal to 1 divided by r minus x whole square. This square cancel. 4 divided by x is equal to 1 by r minus x. Cross multiplying 4r minus 4x is equal to x. So 4r is equal to 5x. Then x is equal to 4r by 5. Yes, this will be the solution. Check Nana once. We want x value, not r value. Abhay. Many students, 3 to 4 students, they have sent answer. All are wrong. Once you check, 4r by 5 is correct. Good, Aditi. Good, Aditi is correct answer. Clear, students? Okay. This is one pattern. Now one more pattern. Let us move on to next point. Is yes, Lalit, 4r by 5 is right answer. Now third charge we kept. Now third charge is in equilibrium position. Okay, fine, sir. What about remaining two charges? If we keep here third charge, what about remaining two charges? Are that remaining two charges are in equilibrium? Let us check that point also. Okay, clear? That only I am coming to that point only. Wait. Okay. Now see one more important point. Everyone listen carefully. Now two charges are there. One is Q1, another one is Q2. Okay, clear? And both are positive charges are okay, fine. Positive charges, let us take. If we keep a capital Q charge, capital Q will be in equilibrium position. Okay, where we should keep exactly in between the two charges. Let us imagine at a particular distance. Let us imagine at a distance x. Here I kept capital Q charge. This is also positive. Now, however, this will be in equilibrium because these two are opposite nature. Yes, anyhow you will get. But check any one of these two. Now my question is, not only this middle charge in equilibrium, all three charges should be in equilibrium. They should not move from their like position due to this charge. All the three charges should be in equilibrium. Okay. For that, what should happen? This positive charge if we keep. On this, let us check force. On this, however, it is in equilibrium position, you know. Due to this repulsive, yes, it is in equilibrium. Now, on this first charge, let us find. Due to this charge, this side repulsive force. Due to this charge also, this side repulsive force. Means it is not in equilibrium position now. Means we should not keep positive charge for the three charges to be in equilibrium position. In the same way, this charge also, due to this repulsive force this side and due to this also, both are positive, repulsive force this side, it is also not in equilibrium position. Now what we should do? Just make it negative. Now check. Is this minus q in equilibrium? Yes. Due to this charge, attractive force this side. Due to this charge, attractive force this side. Due to first charge, due to second charge. Yes, they may be equal in magnitude depending upon their values. Yes, minus q charges in equilibrium now. Now we need to check for other two charges. Are you getting? Yeah. So q1 charge I am finding now. On q1 charge, due to minus q, force is this side. This is due to capital Q. And due to q2 charge, force will be repulsive this side. Are you getting? Yes. These two may be equal in magnitude depending upon these two values. So this q1 it can be in equilibrium position. Are you getting, students? Yes. Similarly, third charge automatically it will come into equilibrium position because electrostatic force is an action reaction pair. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction will be there. If two charges are in equilibrium, third charge must be in equilibrium. If you want to check, due to this attractive force this side and due to this repulsive force on this side. Yes. Possibility both are in opposite nature. Clear, students? Got it? Okay, that means you need not check two equilibrium positions. Any one of these two, if we check, third one automatically it will come to equilibrium position. Let us solve this one with one example. Okay? Yes. Now, see, question is, there are two charges are there. One is 4q, another one is q. Two charges are there. Okay. A charge Q is placed here anywhere on the line joining the centers. Okay. What is the position and nature and magnitude of Q such that all the three charges are in equilibrium condition. Important students for your JEE and NEET. And CBSE, only one student is there. This type of question is important for your board exam. Good. Avai is sending answer. Let us check whether it is correct or not. Okay. First, position. Where we should keep, Nana? Position depends upon these two charges' nature. Both are positive, so it should be in between the two charges. Position is confirmed. Next, nature, whether it is positive or negative. Okay. So first, let us keep in the middle. Let us keep in between the two charges. Okay. Exact position and location we will get. Okay. Yeah. So if I keep here capital Q at a distance of x from this. Okay. Yes. So what we will get now? First, let us suppose it is positive charge. Let us suppose it is a positive charge. Let us suppose. Now, on this positive charge, there is a force due to 4q, and that force should be balanced with the force due to small q. Okay, na? Yes. Now, let us write the values. K 4q into capital Q divided by distance between them is x square is equal to force due to small q, capital Q divided by this distance between these two is r. I have taken. Okay. Yes. So between these two distance, how much kana? R minus x. So r minus x whole square. Cancel. Okay. Yeah. So if it will if this meeting ends, immediately rejoin back now. Okay. 1, 2, 3 minutes. I'll explain this point. Okay. Yeah. Immediately rejoin back. Okay. Yeah. So you'll get 4 divided by x square is equal to 1 divided by r minus x whole square. Here, students. Yes. So you'll get 2 by x, square it and square cancel. Okay. 1 by r minus x. Square cancel, you know. Cross multiply, you will get 2r minus 2x is equal to x. 2r is equal to 3x. X is equal to 2r by 3. So exact location we got now. We got